This buffalo chicken mac and cheese has 530 calories and 65 grams of protein. Let me show you how I made it. Protein Celentani. We're gonna cut these into bite-sized pieces. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna be topping it off with garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Here's what our seasoned chicken is looking like. For our sauce, we're gonna start with cottage cheese, yogurt, milk, buffalo sauce. This is a mix of ranch seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, and black pepper. That sauce is looking good. And we're also gonna add a handful of cheese at a time. We're gonna get our pasta and put it over the chicken. Beautiful buffalo sauce. And we're gonna give this a good stir. We're going in for the taste test. Now from the looks of it, it looks delicious. It definitely has some spice. If you're a buffalo lover, you're gonna love this recipe. I'll see you on the next meal prep video.